What is agrometeorology or agricultural meteorology? To know about agricultural meteorology, one must know about meteorology. I have also made a video on how to become a meteorologist in Pakistan. Link will be given in description. The word meteorology is derived from two words. Meteora meaning Earth's atmosphere, and logy meaning indicating the science it deals. Meteorology studies the characteristics, behavior, or phenomenon of the atmosphere. So what is agricultural meteorology? Agrometeorology is the branch of applied meteorology. It studies the relationship between atmospheric conditions and agricultural production. Weather and climate are the factors determining the success or failure of agriculture. Weather is the physical state of the atmosphere at a given place and given time. And the climate is the long-term weather conditions of a particular area, such as the summer season. Importance of agricultural meteorology in crop production. It reduces or eliminates the outbreak of pests and diseases in the crops. Avoids or minimizes losses due to forest fires. Efficient management of soils, which are formed out of weather action. Managing weather abnormalities like cyclones, heavy rainfall, floods, drought, etc. Achieved by weather forecasting. Studies help to avoid fertilizer and chemical sprays when rain is forecast. For more informative videos, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notifications so you get notified when any other video is uploaded.